Afternoon. This is cause number 2019-45001 in the interest of Ruben Javier and Marcos Reina. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
All right. Please state your name and your relationship to the children.
My name is Vanessa Desiree Lopez. I am the mother of Ruben, Marcus, and Javian Reyna.
All right. And for the state?
Angela Jeffries Young.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Ruben Dario Reina. Mr. Reina was in court September 2019.
I have that he signed a reset, Your Honor, for DNA on December 11th of 2019 as well.
Okay, let me see. Okay, he signed an amended order for parentage testing. That was in December of 2019. And that order contained an order setting the hearing on February 11th, 2020. He was given further notice of this hearing, Zoom hearing, by a certified mail return receipt requested. And that notice of the Zoom hearing was delivered September 26, 2020. He's not checked in, is that correct, Ms. Jeffries?
He is not, Your Honor.
All right, we'll proceed by default.
I call my first witness, Your Honor.
Okay.
The state calls Vanessa Desiree Lopez. Ms. Lopez, what is your relationship to the children?
I'm the mother.
Okay. And in the temp default order, the court admitted evidence showing that the non-custodial parent was the father of Marcus Lopez Reina. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And for Ruben and Javier, you have acknowledgments of paternities on file for those other two children. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, the court will take the notice that the DNA test report would indicate that Ruben Reina, the alleged father, is not excluded as the biological father of his tested child, Marcus Reina, one of the children, the subject of this suit. All right, go ahead.
And also in that temp default order, the court found that you would be the sole managing conservator of those children. Are you asking that remain in place in this final default order?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe it's in the best interest of the children that you remain as the sole managing conservator of these children?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, you currently reside in Harris County, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that you are still going to be geographically restricted to Harris County, to reside in Harris County?
That is correct.
Or a contiguous county?
Yes, ma'am.
Since the last order, Mr. Reina was incarcerated, is that correct?
That is correct.
And he has since got out of jail, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, that is.
Okay, and have you seen him outside of jail?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
As far as possession and access, you asked the court to allow visitation, but that it occurs supervised at his mother's home. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, that's correct.
Are you asking that whatever possession and access was ordered in the 10th default order, that remain in place in his final default order?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you believe that be in the best interest of the child that visitation or possession and access occur at the grandmother's home supervised?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any personal knowledge that Mr. Rania has a job right now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any personal knowledge if Mr. Rania has any other children under 18?
No, ma'am.
Do you have private health insurance available for these children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any personal knowledge if Mr. Rania has private health insurance available for these children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Your Honor, let the record reflect that the order is based on a minimum wage presumption. You understand, Ms. Do you understand that we are setting child support at $315 per month beginning November 1st of 2020 based on a minimum wage presumption, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
You also understand that we are ordering a cash medical of $88 to begin November 1st of 2020.
Yes, ma'am.
And as far as the retro child support order, you're asking that it survive the temp order, correct?
Correct.
And that amount remain exactly the same.
Correct.
And you understand that we are not ordering any retro medical or dental order, dental judgment in this final order.
Correct.
Do you believe this order to be in the best interest of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you asking this court to approve this order?
Yes, ma'am.
I have nothing further for this witness, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
You may log off.
Okay.
Hello, Judge. Last one for the day. It's a no party default.
All right, this is cause number 2020-07724 in the interest of Caslin and Kaylin Hill.
Mm-hmm.
This is a petition under the Uniform Interstate Family Support Act, and the non-custodial parent, Shaquille Javon Hill, was served on July 24th, 2020 at 10:41 a.m. at 2342 Lemonwood Lane, Houston, Harris County, Texas. Has he filed an answer?
He has not filed an answer, but we did send further notice by certified mail anyway.
All right, court will note that the non-custodial parent father was given notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail. Return receipt requested that was delivered September 30th, 2020. We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state of Louisiana has requested the state of Texas to enter the following order, Your Honor, for the children Caslin and Kaylin Hill. The father already signed acknowledgement of paternity for both children in the state of Louisiana, so paternity is not an issue. A child support, we have unknown wages, so we're basing his child support on 25% at minimum wage, which child support for 2 children comes to $256 per month. We're asking the court to begin that on November 1st of 2020. We have no knowledge of any other kids under 18 that Mr. Hill may have, so we did it at 25%. It will step down to $205 per month once one of those children emancipates. It appears that mom will apply for some type of government assistance to the state of Louisiana for the children's health insurance and dental insurance. Therefore, we ask that the court order Mr. Hill to pay medical support in the amount of $113 per month for both children to begin also November 1st of 2020. The state of Louisiana also requested retroactive child support for a period of time. We did it from July 1st of 2016 through today's date, which is October 27th, 2020. We did also at minimum wage presumption, which came to the amount for 2 children of $13,312 as of today's date. And we're asking the court to pay a payout of $100 per month to also begin November 2020. Payments will then step up to $151 per month once one child emancipates, step up again to $356 per month once both children have emancipated, if he has a balance remaining at that time. If Harris County so chooses to bill court costs, we ask they be billed to dad, Mr. Hill. and due by February 1st of 2021. I believe that is all the state of Louisiana is requesting at this time, Your Honor.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
She told me we're done.